Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can create a landing page using AI in just 5 minutes. And for this we will be using Figma tool. So let's get started. So now you can see that I'm in Figma and you will see different file types. So we will start with the Figma make, right? We will create a new file and here we can describe idea and it will start creating. Now what we want to do is to have a clear landing page. So what I will do is first go to ChatGPT and I will ask, give me a prompt or details for a landing page for pet products, right? Give me everything and content as well, but make sure it's short so I can use it in Figma make, right? So I have just given a prompt, right, and it will give all of the details that I can share with or in Figma make. So here what I will do, I will just copy this whole thing, right? And first of all, let's start from the beginning. Design a modern landing page. So what I will do is that I will just copy the whole thing, right? Okay, here I will just copy this and I will go back to the Figma and I will paste it here, right? So you can see that I have added all of the details and I can just send. Now it will start creating the landing page for me. It will take some while, so let's wait and let's see what it gets for us. So here you can see that it created the landing page for us, and you can see that it got through a lot of thinking and it took a lot of time, but in the end it created a landing page that you can see that has the products, the features, everything like the CTA, the footer. One thing that it missed is the heading. So I will ask for you have missed the heading, right? So we also let's give it a name, Prim Pet, right? Just came out of my mind, and let's see what it does right now. Okay, so now the website is updated and you can see that the header is added and you can see also the name is updated as well, and it's sticky, and again the website is working really good. Now you can see the code as well, all of the pages, all of the style file, and even you can publish this, right? So it will be let's give it a name like Prim Pet, right? And then we can just click on publish and it will be published, right? It will give us a URL that we can go through and we can share with anyone. It will be on the Google, right? And you can also update the domain, right? It might be a paid feature, but I think it's free for now, and you can connect your domain as well, so it will show your domain. So as you can see, I will just copy this and I will go to the browser and I will search for this, and you will see that it is now a live site. So you can see that it is a live site, and we can also check the responsiveness of this, right? And you can see it is now responsive as well, and it is a complete landing page, right? And this is just a simple prompt that I gave from ChatGPT, but you can enhance it, you can give more prompts, you can give examples, and it will nail the results. So this is how you can create a landing page using AI, and this is really, you can just start with the Figma site and it will create a beautiful site for you. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.